So right now, I'm bringing the 7130 and a pair of gravity wagons over to a 40-acre field of corn. We're gonna finish harvesting it today, and after this field, no more harvest. We'll be done with harvest 2020. Dad's following me with the blue truck, the old blue truck, and 2 wagons. He already brought the other 2 wagons over there earlier, and then we're gonna go back to the farm, and I'm gonna drive the grain cart, and Dad's gonna get the combine. We're gonna bring it over there, and then we'll start harvesting. We've got 2 people coming to help us, just our cousins. They're gonna help us harvest. One of them's gonna bring a grain truck and a wagon. The other one's gonna run this tractor, running loads to the grain elevator. This 40-acre field that we're gonna harvest is the only field that we farm that is not organic. It's only 40 acres of conventional. We farm it for an older lady. She has some other ground that other people farm, but we're just farming this 40. We bring it to the grain elevator. It's conventional, just non-organic, so we don't have to store it in the bins. Just bring it right to the grain elevator and it goes straight into the conventional market. All right guys, I'm in the 240. Dad's oiling chains on the head, and then we're gonna roll out. Guys, I'm driving and this feels like either a tire has like some bulge or something, or the axle's bent or something, but I just drove it a couple days ago and it was fine. So I don't know what the heck is going on. It is awful to drive. I don't see anything that looks out of shape. I don't know. It's rough to drive though. All right, boys, looks like I'm driving the combine to the field. Never done it on the road before, so this should be fun. Let's go. Well, I arrived. I think the tractor just had like a flat spot on the tire since it sat for so long. But we're gonna check it out a little more just to make sure nothing's wrong with it. All right, so they came in the grain truck. One of them's gonna drive the grain truck. The other one's gonna drive the tractor. I'm just gonna move that tractor right down there and turn it around. Back to the grain cart. That's what I'm gonna be running all day. Now I'm headed back to the other end along the road to go unload the grain cart. Grain truck's heading to the elevator. Now I gotta race back down and catch Dad to unload. truck is back. Yum. Lunch. Here comes the tractor. He's back with our wagons. Dad's getting full. I gotta go catch up to him. 24 miles an hour. Pretty fast to go through the field. Tile riser. I did not hit you, thank goodness. Okay guys, we're on the second to last pass of Harvest 2020. So second to last, and then there's the last over there. Then we're done. Okay guys, we're done with the field. I unloaded. We're gonna head out, we're gonna go home, then we're gonna, with the grain cart, Dad's in the combine, got the truck, Jake, he's helping. The wagon's gonna go home, then we'll come back and get the other wagons and the tractor. The field is done. We are done with Harvest 2020. Alrighty guys, I'm bringing the 7130 with 2 wagons home, and then that's it, we're done. Oh, we got all the equipment home, we're done with harvest. Now it's on to tillage, probably disking. Dad's gonna shred stalks, I'm probably gonna disc to knock down the ridges, and then Dad will just chisel plow. We got a lot of chisel plowing to do this year because all the ground that was wheat we harvested this summer is gonna be chiseled because it's now clover, and then all the ground that is we harvested corn off of, we're gonna chisel because that's going to beans. So a lot of ground to chisel this year, but at least we're done with harvest. We're home. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these wagons, but I'm here. Everything is home. We're done harvesting. Dad's gonna put the combine away, and then we're gonna unhook 240, and I'm gonna assume we're gonna put it on the disc. 7130 is gonna go on the stalk shredder, and then we're gonna shred stalks and go disc some ground. Then the 240 will go on the chisel plow. And then it's a lot of chisel plowing, like I said before. Except for the tractors and combine, none of these implements belong at this farm. They're all stored at another farm a few miles down the road. So when we're done with it, we have to bring it all the way back to the other farm. None of it's stored here. But anyway, we're done with corn harvest and bean harvest. We're done with harvest 2020. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.